Peatmoss is a very known soil enhancer. In this video, we will learn all about peatmoss, what are its benefits, how to use it and for what plants. So keep watching this and do subscribe to our channel. Peatmoss is a fibrous and fluffy brown to black colored material with a great water retention and softness. Peatmoss is basically an organic decaying matter that mostly comes from sphagnum moss and other plant fibers. This decomposing process takes thousands of years, making the peatmoss very slow decomposing and nearly non-expiring soil enhancer. Peatmoss is majorly known because of its softness and fluffy fibrous texture, but it's much more than this. It provides a lot of benefits to our plants, so let's know them. First of all, peatmoss has a great water retention. It holds a small amount of moisture deep inside of it and releases it only when the roots try to suck, which is perfect to keep the soil well draining as well as hydrated. The softness of a peatmoss keeps the root growth very consistent. In hard mix, roots struggle to grow. On the other hand, peatmoss aids their growth. Peatmoss is also a little acidic, which is perfect for flowering and fruiting plants, but not for alkaline, soil-loving plants. Peatmoss also keeps the nutrients of the soil intact. It's common soil lose its nutrients with watering over time, but not if the peatmoss is present. This way the plant growth continues even when not fertilized for a long time. Peatmoss simply holds the plant nutrients. Peatmoss also have a great aeration system. The air can pass through it, making the healthiest environment for roots and the plant. Peatmoss is super lightweight, that is very useful for keeping the soil light, especially for rooftop gardens. Peatmoss is also a non-expiring material, which means buy once and it will keep your soil good forever. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Using the peatmoss the correct way is the key thing to get most out of its benefits. Peatmoss is very commonly used for seeds media, so let's start from that. Seeds loves a soft media like peatmoss to germinate well. So for using the peatmoss for seeds, you can use around 1 part of peatmoss in 3 parts of soil. If your soil media is already very soft and well draining, you can use even lesser, but don't use more than 20 to 30% of the total soil. For making a cheap seed starter at home, follow the description box video. Another easy way to use peatmoss for plants is to make a layer of peatmoss at the base of the pot or in the middle of the pot soil. This will keep the plant growth continue. Around 1 to 2 inches of layer is more than enough. You can also buy a good quality peatmoss from the description box. You can also mix peatmoss in the mixture of indoor plants. Around 30% of the total soil is enough. With peatmoss, your indoor house plants will be very growing. More pups will grow due to better soil structure. As though it's not a great option, but peatmoss can be used as a mulching material. 1-inch layer of peatmoss over the soil can work well. Mulching have so many benefits. Learn about that from the description box video. Following a correct way, peatmoss can be used for all kind of plants like vegetables, leafy greens, flowering plants, seeds, indoor plants, cacti or succulents. But commonly it's used for seeds and house plants. And remember never to use it for alkaline soil-loving plants. Now let's know about some drawbacks of peatmoss. First one is its acidic nature. Acidic soil is good for some plants but not for all plants. So be careful about this. Another thing is that peatmoss is not a complete soil media. You can't just use peatmoss and expect good growth. It lacks nutrients. So better to make a mix of soil amendments, not just one. Here is a detailed playlist on different soil amendments if you like to follow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.